Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am here featuring another quick and easy card. And today I'm actually doing a modification of a card that I found on Pinterest from Julie Davison using the Healing Hogs. I'm really liking it a lot, this one. This is one of those new stamps that Stampin' Up! Is creating where it looks like a photograph. So you want to give it a try on those. I am enjoying it a lot, and so anyway, I'm going to be using this one with the Get Well Soon. I feel like I almost never have Get Well Soon cards, so I figure let's just do one of those. So anyways, I'm going to be using those images and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so the measurements of my cardstock, it's as usual 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm gonna be folding this in half to make a full a regular size card. I think it's an A2 card, I should say. All right, I'm using my bone folder to make sure I have a crisp fold. Now this one is 3 1/4. Yes, 3 1/4 by 4.5, and this is berry vanilla. Okay, and then I have a piece of oh, and by the way, this one is Blushing Bright Berry Vanilla, and this one is the Seafoam. What is this? Oh goodness, I'm still learning. Soft Seafoam, and this one is 2 by 3. I'm gonna be punching it out with the triple banner punch, which I know I almost never use, but I felt like with this one I probably should because it's a larger. And again, I almost never use it, so I figured let's just give it a try. So I'm going all the way through, and I have this piece now. All right, so let's just go ahead. Now, as far as colors go, I'm going to be using the Blushing Bright, Soft Seafoam, and Smoky Slate. So let's just give it a try now, and I'm going to be using scratch paper. Just fold this in half. Alright, so I'm going to be putting this one here with the Blushing Bright, and I'm going to be just stamping my rose. When you're inking with this one, you just need to tap, tap, tap. You don't need to smudge, you don't have to go really strong, but you do have to tap, tap, tap to make sure that everything is covered. So let's just go ahead and then press firmly. Do not rock it. Just press firmly. And here is the first one. And again, just tap, tap, tap. We're gonna have another one right here. And again, just press firmly, and it should be fine. All right. Then using the and this is one of those ink pads, and so you just open it like so, and then push it through. Okay. At the beginning, these pads are kind of hard or tight. But as you're using them, you'll see that it gets better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do another one here. Another one there. And maybe another one here. And I think this one will go like so here. So don't worry too much about that flower, because I know I covered it kind of weird. And then I'm going to be using this other image. And I'm going to put it like so. And I'm going to be doing the same here. And I think that's it. Okay. The next part will be putting the Get Well Soon, and I'm going to be using the Smoky Slate. Alright, and I'm going to be putting this one right in the middle. I probably will be cutting a little bit more of this one. I feel like it's too large, you know. We'll see how this looks. All right. So, well, it might look fine. I don't know. Like so. It might look fine, you know. Yeah, it might look fine. That's fine. So now that I have this piece, I'm going to go ahead and put it like so. Now for this one, oh, and you know what? I probably want to put also, before I finish these. And this one, I don't know, you know what? I'll probably do some tone on tone because I want something softer and I think the gray will look too much, you know? So I'll go with, there's some stitches marked. So I'm just gonna be, don't really see them. So I might as well go with the gray because I don't think you can see them. So I'll go with the gray. And again, this is a smoky slate. Much better. There we go. Let me do another one here. And let me see. I probably need a little bit more here. There we go. That way it shows some, yeah, I think I like it better. So it has some color there. And so now I'm going to be putting some snail. And on this one, I'm just going to go ahead and put it like so. Put a little bit more than regular, you know. But I'm going to be using this new twine, which is the silver and petal pink. And even though it's not the same color, it will still look really nice. You'll see it. Let me just take, oh my goodness, let me take my scissors. Alright. And what I'm going to be doing is, I'm just going to go ahead here. And I need to be a little bit longer. So it shows. And then I'm going to cut it here. And on this side, let me just play a little bit with this. And like this one is turning. There we go, much better. So like so. And then I'm going to be putting this one here, see? So I probably need it even bigger than that, you know? And that's the beauty of this thing, that you can unglue and glue it again, you know? And so like in this case, it seems like I'm going to end up being like so. And I might just turn this one here. Now, let's just see. Yes. Although, you know what? I know it takes me a little bit longer. Like so. Let me see, would that be... Oh yeah, that looks much better. So like I said, you can just look at it and see what you need. So now I'm going to be putting some dimensionals. So just give me a second here. I'm just pulling off. And we're gonna put those right here. So you can still see some of these. And I'm gonna just take a little bit of this so that you can see it more. And there we go. And now for this one, I'll add some of the snail. Oh. And we're gonna put this one onto this card. And is that not really nice? I mean, it looks gorgeous. Now, just to finish it up, I have some pearls here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissors. Oh. And I'll be adding some here, you know. Very nice. And maybe one on this area. Oh, I took two. I don't know what happened here. But I'm gonna put one here and I'm gonna take another one here. Oh. Put another one somewhere here. And I'll put another one here, so you, like so. Alright, so here it is. So you just put some random pearls on it. So anyway, so this is it for today. Hope you have liked it. Like I said, I love this rose a lot, and it looks so real. That's the beauty of this type of stamp sets. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. And also, don't forget, go to my blog at creatingwithali.com, where you can see my more details on my monthly ordering incentive, where you place an online order using the hostess code, and it's on every single post of my blog. You'll get a card kit in the mail for you to make 4 cards. So there will be pictures, instructions, usually it's a video, because I feel like it's easier for me to show you how it is. And so, and again, this is a monthly incentive, ordering incentive. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month, which it could be the pearls, rhinestones, ribbon, you name it. So it's usually different every month. So anyway, thank you so much, and I really appreciate you liking or commenting this video. All right, bye.